You are the one, eh?
Yes,
Count 6. Can you agree you work it and then you also give us provide the appropriate particulars, then we can be ready for the pre-council. Just a moment.
Financial advantage of Kenya shillings 5 million from Pascal Avinda with the intent that in consequences will improperly facilitate the reduction of the amount tax arrears owed by Infinity Benefits Limited to Kenya Revenue Authority, the amount of Kenya shillings 25,213,378 shillings. Your response? On 16 June of 2021, within Nairobi City County, being a person employed by KRA as an officer domestic taxes department, he requested for a financial advantage of 2 million from Pascal Ovinda, with intent that in consequences he would improperly facilitate the reduction of the amount of tax arrears owed by Infinity Benefits Limited to KRA amounting to Kenya shillings 25,213,378. On the first day of July 2021, within Nairobi City County, being a person employed by KRA as an officer, domestic taxes department, he requested for a financial advantage of Kenya shillings 2 million from Pascal Ovinda, with intent that in consequences he will improperly facilitate the reduction of the amount of tax arrears owed by Infinity, which Kenya shilling it owed to KRA, to amounting to Kenya shillings 25,213,378. Your response? Count number 4, employed by KRA as an officer, domestic taxes department, requested for received a financial advantage of 200,000 from Pascal Ovinda, with intent that in consequence it will properly facilitate the reduction of the amount of tax owed by Infinity Benefits Limited to KRA amounting to Kenya shillings 25,213,378. Your response?
2021 and was released on a cash bill.
You was arrested in
19th July 2021 for cash bill. It's been on a cash bill of 100,000 since the year 2021, and that's cooperated with the police and will still cooperate with the court in the prosecution of this case. Secondly, we will also be praying. I've just received the charge sheet. We will be praying for the bundle containing the witness statements and the documents that the prosecution will be relying on the trial.
Objection to the accused person being granted in wrong terms. However, we will look at the seriousness of the offense, that is an anti-corruption matter, and therefore the court should consider that while granting the bond terms to the accused person. Till the court should also look at the amount in question. Granting the bond terms, which you guide is on the court regarding the bond terms. Free owner will submit that the accused person to deposit his passport before this honorable court, so that if he wishes to travel outside his jurisdiction, this honorable court is well aware. For you who wish to submit that, you should also be informed of documents every the next 14 days. You can have
There's something, it's like you've not addressed the issue of his cash flow. On top of your head.
yes, one of the ACC officer informed that is going to be given the cash pay in a short while. The investigation of the central court. 8 is okay.
On the 8th,
8th of August.
8th of August. Let's see how much of these documents you will be able to supply. So the prosecution not opposed to the release of accused person on cash payment or bond. On the part of the defense, Langen Council has had the court release the accused person based on the bond terms. The guiding principle governing the grant of bail and your bond to accused persons is arraigned before the court is well stipulated in Article 49 of the Constitution and the bail and bond policy. It's also stated by judicial interpretation that bonds and bail is a constitutional right, and that the main consideration granting bail is to secure the attendance of the accused persons in court for the trial. That's the guiding principle. The court is under a duty to balance the right to the right prosecution. In this case, no such a compelling reason has been stated, except the concern that has been raised by Mr. Matusala, that is a corruption case involving a sum of 25 million. The amount stated in the charge sheet may not necessarily be a compelling factor granting the bond terms, considering that the presumption of innocence, which is considered the presumption of innocence, which is at present is a right enshrined under Article 50 of the Constitution, and which we must also respect. Nonetheless, in granting bond terms, the court must act with caution so as not to grant terms that would appear to be a motivation for the accused person to escape and or become a flight risk, or soon after being released to go back and commit a crime. We should be cautious that we should not go that way. I'm bound to observe that the accused person was initially released on a cash bail for a sum of 100,000 upon arrest, and has also turned up for plea. That's a plus for the accused person. Taking all this into account, these are the bond terms that they find fit for this particular case, that the accused person shall be released on a bond of 6 million units bond, a property, with one short for similar amount. In the alternative, you can deposit a cash bail of 3 million if it is cash. I've also made an order that is cash bail of 100,000 paid to separate release upon arrests. Shall be refunded for I'll also make an order that accused person, you should deposit your passport in courts. And at any one given time, you should not leave the jurisdiction of this country without leave of the trial courts. So you must seek leave for the trial court if you want to travel. I've also made an order that you shall not reach and interfere with the prosecution cases upon being released on bail terms. Those are some of the compelling reasons that may attract a cancellation of your bond terms. Following counsel's application and pursuant to accused person's right and Article 50 of the Constitution, the prosecution shall supply to the accused person these documents: copy of the charge sheets, copies of witness statements, copies of documentary exhibits to be relied upon in this case, and then other material necessary for this trial. So we have agreed, we come back for the trial conference on the 8th of August. So that one brings us to an end of this. And so Simo, I hope you have filled the contact list, it's very important. Get our contact list. From there proceed of doing that, correct? Yes, that's right. So kindly assist us also to observe intently in all these processes. In the event that the accused person is unable to raise that sum, after the 14 days, he would have tested it within the 14 days. Then he can always come back to the trial court, try the first review. If there is any other problem, then he can as well go to the head court. He also open to do a review.
Just before you cannot,
Yes,
I want
yes.
my colleague, Mr. Said Nakuta, to be placed on
Mr.
record.
Mr. Puta.
Mr. Akuta. You also work out Akuta. Oh, just as me the space so that I get it. O. Yes. Okay. O.
K.
K.
U.
U.
T.
T.
A.
Okuta. Okay. You're welcome, counsel.
Okay.
That is it. Okay. You can go ahead. Wait. We can start.
Yes,
And we are now.
we are set.